Joelle, everyone's talking about AI, but nobody is breaking down how to make money fast with it. You gonna tell us? Or what?
You're a blue collar professional and you're watching this video right now because you've probably tried making money online, probably with affiliate marketing. It's what a lot of people follow me for, but it hasn't worked out. I'm here to prove to you that it wasn't because of you. You would have eventually figured it out, but it was a mathematical impossibility that you were ever going to make any money online. But just to make sure you get some value out of the video and not just go ranting off, I'm going to also show you how 2026 is the best year ever to get into a make money online system like an affiliate marketing, like digital marketing, and how you can use AI to fix the problem of having that impossibility that you had before. If you're new to the channel, I know what I'm talking about because my name is the infamous Joel. I've made over $2 million online with affiliate and digital marketing, and I've helped hundreds and hundreds of students over the years succeed, make 6 and 7 figures online. My main skill is not just to teach you the basics, is to teach you a very strategic way to do it in a very limited time frame. That's why I'm so good at helping people with a busy 9-to-5 and family and all that good stuff. So let's start with this impossibility. You have so much time in a day. You see, the average affiliate marketer over here on the left side, they have about 16 hours a day that they can sit down and do the work. I know I have a competitive advantage, okay? I can sit here, I can make content, I can make YouTube videos, I can do email marketing, I can run ads, I can do all kinds of stuff all day long. So I'm basically gonna blow anybody out of the water who has a 9-to-5. But herein lies the problem. If you bought a course before or you got the wrong mentor, God forbid, they just assume that you have all this time. They're gonna teach you the same system that they use. But in real life, your life looks more like this, right? You have about 16 hours a day where you work, and I mean work in between like your 9-to-5, but also like you have kids, you have school, you have activities, you have all this other stuff going on top of now you have about 8 hours of work where you have to learn all these systems, learn what affiliate marketing means and how it works and what the best products are and all these things. When do you actually sleep? You don't. Now enter the age of AI. And unless you've been sleeping under a rock somewhere, you've heard of this stuff. You've heard of artificial intelligence. You've probably heard of ChatGPT. It's taken everything by storm. Your job probably by storm. You probably heard it from your boss. All this AI stuff that's coming into the market right now. And you can see 1,000,001 YouTube videos out there about AI and ChatGPT and how to use it and stuff. But almost none of them will show you how to make money with it. They just show you how to make some videos and it's all cute and it's all cool. But great, how do you make money? Well, I'm here to tell you that thanks to the age of AI, you do not have to be an expert at affiliate marketing and selling products and things like that. You do not have to be the one on camera showing your face or anything like that. I'm going to show you exactly how you use AI, how even I use AI to save me a crap ton of time and to make a lot of money. I'm going to show you how you can do it as well. And you see, in the old way, right, you would take some time, probably when you bought a course on affiliate marketing and digital marketing, and you would have to take some time to pick a niche, right? Now the AI can pick a niche for you. I'll show you a tool that I use myself to actually pick a niche and find a good product and all that stuff. It takes like 15 minutes, no more of this sitting around researching. And then you would have to sit down and you'd have to make a website, right? Or you'd have to make some kind of a funnel. You'd have to use System.io or some other kind of platform. And now AI can build that for you as well. And don't get me started on where everybody gets stuck, right? The dreaded content. Oh my God, I have to go on Instagram, I have to go on YouTube, I have to put a bunch of videos and pictures and stuff of myself and my family, or whatever else you learned in affiliate marketing, or you've looked at affiliate marketing, right? And you've been scrolling your phone, you see a bunch of people making money with it. You're like, that can never be me because I don't want to put myself out there. I can't put myself out there. That sounds like torture, right? Well, now AI can do all that stuff for you as well. And then last but not least here, you guys know that I love paid ads. I love systems, but I do realize it takes a little bit of tech savviness. It takes a little bit of understanding how ads works and how systems work and follow up and email and things like that. So it does take time to set up that tech beforehand so that it could run on autopilot before. But now with AI, a lot of that stuff can also be set up within like 15 minutes. It's insane the accessibility that you're seeing in front of you right now. Understand that AI right now at the time of this recording is the worst that it's ever going to be. The videos are the worst that they're ever going to look. All the systems, everything is the worst that it's ever going to be. It's only going to get better, cheaper, faster, more efficient. It's going to be insane. And if you don't jump into it right now, this year, you're going to miss the boat. period. Okay, I can put my life on that. You're gonna miss the boat. You're gonna look back at this like it was Bitcoin back in the day and say, oh my God, why didn't I get to my own AI powered business? Why didn't I do that? All right, so let's start with this. This is a custom GPT, not just ChatGPT, but a custom GPT that I made for my clients inside of my inner circle. And this is one of the things I meant about picking a niche in less than 15 minutes and even making your first product. Even if you don't want to be an affiliate marketer, you want to make your own things, because I know a lot of people get into affiliate marketing. They're like, I don't know what to sell. Oh my God, the person that I bought a course from, they want me to promote their course. This sounds like a pyramid scheme, and it's like I'm selling the same thing as everyone else. Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to do that, and it doesn't take you any time anymore. So let's go through this. This is exactly how it works. This is my tiny AI product generator. So the first product that we're going to make that you can turn around and flip and start making money with today is going to be a tiny ebook, just a tiny one. Think about it like this. When people buy books, what do they want, right? They want the result from the book. When I buy a book, it might be 500 pages long, and it's called How to Invest in Real Estate. Well, I'm here to tell you, I don't actually want to read that book, right? I don't actually want to know 500 pages worth of information on how to invest in real estate. I want the short version. Give me just how to get started right now. So that's what a tiny ebook is it gets straight to the point and it solves the problem super fast for your potential customer, and that's why they would pay for it. So the first thing that you have to do here is you click and it says, help me find a niche. All right, it's going to ask you a question. It's going to ask some suggestions like, hey, what kind of a niche are you thinking? Like make money online or wealth or different types of stock market, health, relationships, whatever else. You can see right here, it even says the big three. Again, I programmed it, says Joel right here. That's me. And it talks about how, hey, do you want to pick health, wealth, or relationships? Because to me, that's the big three, whether you're doing affiliate marketing or you're selling your own products. Pick one of the niches right here and go a little bit deep into it. Let's skip ahead. I'm going to pick wealth. I'm just going to pick affiliate marketing to show you guys exactly where it takes you. See right there, I typed in affiliate marketing wealth. Let's hit enter. And now this is my brain. I programmed this thing myself. So I like to always ask my clients who I've helped build products and do their own thing or do affiliate marketing before, you can't just pick a product. You can't just pick a niche. Also pick the audience, who exactly it is that you serve. So you can see the GPT is even asking you, pick an age range, pick a gender, pick a career background, situation, their skill level. All these things matter. So let's fill this in and I'll show you where it goes from here. So I put she's a 30-year-old female. She's a nurse. The reason why she's in this situation is she's completely tired of the nursing field. And yes, I've spoken to hundreds of nurses over the years and they're absolutely tired of it. Then maybe that's you. And she's a total beginner. So I filled this in. Let's see what it says next. So look what it's done. It's agreed with me and it said, wow, that's a perfect person, a perfect niche. Everything is lined up. And it's going to give you three options: option A, option B, option C. And this is, again, it's programmed by me. So it's exactly what I would have said if I was sitting down talking to you. Instead, you can use this tool and it's going to shortcut everything. So the first option, it's called the First Commission Fast, the 7-day nurse affiliate jumpstart. That sounds like an amazing product. Option B, it says nurse to niche, the 30-minute niche and offer finder. That's a good value for a nurse. And then option C, it says the 30-minute shift worker, content system, affiliate edition. I like option C. So all you have to do is pick one of these options. I'm going to go with option C. And now you can see in real time, after I picked option C being my favorite one, it's literally just going to create the product for you. This is it, okay? This is that tiny ebook that I was talking about. It's going to write out the entire thing for you step by step. It knows who you're talking to. It knows what the product needs to do, what problem it needs to solve. You can see it's still writing. Look at this. It's amazing. It's crazy. It's still going. It's writing the entire book right in front of you. Again, you can turn around, and I'm teaching my clients this in the inner circle right now, to turn around and be able to sell this for $17, $27, $37 and be able to recoup income today, okay? Look at this. It's almost completely finished and it's writing it all out. All you literally have to do is take this entire thing, because this is your product now. This is the book, right? It's got the objective, the prerequisites. Here's the title. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. And now you'll put it on a website, and I show you inside of the inner circle. I got to gatekeep a little bit, right? I show you inside of the inner circle what website to put it on completely for free and start selling it today and start making money today. Not 10 years from now, not, you're joining a program and oh my God, it takes like 6 months. You want to see some results soon and fast. I've coached hundreds of people over the years, and I know that, of course, you don't expect to be a millionaire overnight, but you want to start seeing results so that you can keep going. You get that dopamine hit, that, oh my God, money hit my bank account. This is really working. I can't wait to keep going, right? It's very exciting. So that's why I teach this as a way to get started as super fast as soon as you hit the program. So I'm going to back up a tiny bit here and talk to you personally, me versus you right now, eye to eye. Why did that program not work? It didn't work because it wasn't made for you. That's all there is to it. You would have eventually figured it out. I think all programs work. I know a lot of people scream scam and they get all upset in this space. And really, honestly, if you look back at it, a lot of other people in a course or something you joined before probably got results and you felt kind of left out, right? You felt like, what am I doing wrong? It's not that. I promise you that it's probably just because you didn't have enough time to really make it work. You dedicated yourself, you tried your best, but it just didn't seem to hit. Or it wasn't like your cup of tea, like the strategy being taught wasn't really your thing. And if you're not really invested in the strategy and you're not really invested in what's going on, maybe you were taught to just resell the course. I hate that. So now it's like, oh, I really don't want to do that. And it's going to come across in all your marketing and all your effort and everything you do. So instead, you can make your own product in my program and you can be proud of it because you made it yourself. And it's all about what you want to do. Okay. So I do offer affiliate, but I also offer the way of you making your own stuff because I think both have great value in them. My main thing is to get you to retire from your 9 to 5. You didn't have the right teacher most of the time. They didn't actually listen to you. You're in some big program where you have to raise your hand and be in 1,000 billion students. I understand it. I keep my inner circle just that, a circle. It's very small, okay? I like to keep it small so that I can give people personal attention. And we build bots, we build tools, we build AI, we build things to help you in your day-to-day business so that it doesn't take you 8 hours, 25 hours, whatever the hell else hours. You can be completely faceless. You can make AI video. You can do whatever you want with AI. This is the opportunity that I'm leaning on and why I stopped doing affiliate marketing the traditional way, why I stopped teaching the traditional way, because I found that somebody who's super busy just doesn't have the time to do that. So down below, I have not only details about my program and how it works, but you can see all the other clients that had great success with it so far, all the other clients that I work with, and some of the interviews and whatnot, and all the results that they got to prove to you that this actually works. Okay, I'm not just talking out of my ass up here. And you can actually sign up, get on a call. It might be me, it might be a team member, and we'll talk to you about what it means to get in. We'll show you a demo of what the AI tools can actually do, and you'll go, oh my God, this is amazing, and you want to jump in, all right? So I'll talk to you then, or somebody on my team will talk to you then. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.